Alright, so we're gonna do some changes here today on the desk. As you can see, I've got my 27-inch monitor, my 24-inch monitor and my 35-inch monitor. These two I'm gonna change places for. Not right now, I think. Actually, I may even do it right now. We'll see about that. But that USB switch, that's gonna be connected in another way, I think. I'm gonna plug the keyboard and the mouse directly into the PC behind there. And when I use my MacBook, I'm just gonna place that in front of me and have a simple solution to connect it to an external monitor and sound and everything. So I have that easy setup with just, okay, it's gonna be two cables, one for everything and one except charging and one for the charger. And then we're gonna take the computer, we're gonna dust it off and see if we can move the cooler for the CPU. And because right now it's in the front, and I gotta change it to the top. Might be able to just move it upwards one step, not entirely sure, but we're gonna try and see if it fits in the top instead. Alright, let's go. Alright, so at the moment I decided to change place for the monitors so that I can prepare everything and make sure everything is fit for fight then when I upgrade the computer. So I'm gonna take a break and well, you won't see the break, but we'll just move into the future in 3, 2, 1. Hello. Let's continue. So there we go. It is set up. Although I've got some minor adjustments to work out, but overall it's a kind of clean desk now. I got my 3 monitors, camera, light, mixer over there. Not the nicest cable management, but it works. Just gotta mount that one up for the MacBook. And now I have the USB switch so that I can easily change if the camera is connected to the main PC, the one over there, or the MacBook. Because when I work from home, I like to connect the MacBook, the camera to the MacBook, so that I have a nice picture in the meetings. Alright, so there were small hiccup. I realized that I had to change the case for the PC, so that is a separate video. If you haven't seen it, go check it out. And well, now I got some minor adjustments to do, so see you in the next video. Bye!